Hey Stitch Cutie, I'm Brittany with Stitches of Love Quilting and welcome to our third Facebook Live event. I'm so excited that you're joining us, and if you happen to watch this later in the day after it's done being live, thank you again for watching then. So, happy Memorial Day. Today is Monday, Memorial Day of 2019, and we want to thank all and remember all of our fallen heroes that make our country so great and allow us to live such a wonderful life in our country. Today we need to make sure to remember those and again thank the families who unfortunately have lost those fallen heroes and miss them every day. And I always like this quote, we're home of the free because of the brave. So thank you again for the brave men and women who are our heroes who are no longer with us. So to have a little bit of fun today, because I'm sure everybody's having hopefully a nice 3-day weekend and getting to relax a little bit with their family, we have some exciting things to bring to you. I have a little list so I don't forget. So the first thing up is a brand new pre-order on a Moda quilt kit. And drum roll please, it is Snow Day. Mom, is that showing up good?
Sure is.
All right, so this is Snow Day. It's a beautiful quilt for the holidays. It's not really just Christmas. It's kind of, to me, more winter season. It's focused around snowtime fun, and it's got your little snowmen. It has trees, so I guess they could be Christmas trees if you wanted to, or they could just be beautiful winter trees that you see out in the mountains. And then it has your houses, and it has sweet little mittens. And then we've decided this is snow tracks. See the little, like, almost looks like water. We've decided that's snowmobile tracks.
And how big is it?
Oh, how big is it? Great question. It is 57 inches by 71 inches, so it's a really nice lap-sized quilt. Great for having like hot chocolate by the bonfire. Ooh, that actually really makes me want that for my backyard as I said that. And then it's got the stars. So it's a really sweet kit. The kit includes everything you need to complete your quilt top. So the fabric line is called Snow Day as well. It's a Moda line of fabric, so you're gonna get all of the fabrics you need to complete your quilt top and also your binding. So it's gonna be a really fun pieced quilt to make. And from the looks of it, I haven't gotten to read the pattern yet because obviously it hasn't arrived to us since it's a pre-order, but it looks like it's gonna be a very simple piecing pattern. Don't you think, Mom?
Yeah, it looks fun to me.
Yeah, it looks fun. It looks like it's gonna be a nice simple quilt that you'll enjoy doing. It would also make such a great gift for maybe like a grandchild or a coworker. Maybe that's a big quilt for a coworker. It depends on how close you are. But definitely a family member I think would warrant a nice quilt like this. So with that being said, jump over to the description of this Facebook Live. I put a link to this. This is a Snow Day quilt kit available for pre-order. I do want to let you know that quantities are limited because we pre-order this with Moda ourselves, and so we guesstimate as best we can what the demand will be, and so it might run out. Hopefully we've ordered enough where all of you can get it, but definitely make sure to reserve your spot. It's only 99 cents to reserve your spot, and then you'll be charged on June 17th and it'll ship that week. We expect the kits in early June, so possibly we can send them sooner. Just depends when it arrives from Moda to us. Now, this is also our inaugural Member Monday. So if you watched our Facebook Live on Friday, we mentioned that starting today, every Monday we're going to come out with a brand new special just for our members. So it's active club members. That means if you're a member of one of our Stitchery clubs, our Block of the Months, our applique boxes, and you're an active member still receiving those every month, you will automatically get these discounts every week when you log into your account. So the very first, well, there's actually 2 discounts today. One's ongoing and one is brand new. So if you are a member, an active member of one of our clubs or Block of the Months, you will get an additional 25% off your kit for this. That is a huge savings, so it makes it even more enticing to go grab your pre-order. So if you're a member, you can pre-order your Snow Day kit from today, which is, what is today's actual date? It's Memorial Day, May 27th, I believe, and the special ends this coming Saturday. This coming Sunday. So the Member Monday special will run for 1 full week every week. So again, you get 25% off the Snow Day kit if you're an active member. Now the other fun discount that starts today and is going to be ongoing, we'll let you know when this promotion ends, but for right now, we have it set to go for at least a month, and that is going to be that you receive 20% as an active member off any notions. So that means some of our favorites that we carry are going to be 20% off for you, and hopefully they become your favorite in your sewing room when you're making all these fun projects. So if you saw the Facebook Live on Friday, this next few minutes will be a repeat, but some of our favorite notions that we have available are the Karen K. Buckley scissors. We have them in 3 different sizes. They have a serrated blades, and then they're sharp all the way to the end. So they're great for working with applique, with wool. The smaller ones are great for all kinds of things. Then we have, Mom's telling me something. Am I going too slow?
No.
No, I'm just talking a lot. Sorry, y'all. We have the Fusion Mat, which is a great applique pressing sheet. This is the 12 by 12 size, 12 inches by 12 inches. We also carry it in a 12 by 18, so it depends on what size projects you like working with. We have the Steady Betty, which is great for pressing. If you've watched any of our video tutorials, most of them include using a Steady Betty. Mom is still making faces at me behind the camera. I'm not sure what she's telling me. This is the Easy Trace Light Box. You can see we use this a lot. This is actually the one that I use personally. Mom's looks a lot better than mine because you can see I've gotten some ink and things on it. But it's great. It plugs in to a longer cord that then has a nice little toggle switch, so it's easy to turn on and off. Okay, so again, members, if you're just joining us, you get 25% off your snow day kit, and you get 20% off all notions on the website. So log into your account and then start shopping. You're gonna automatically see a green icon that says member discount. So the next thing that we have to talk about is, well, I want to thank all of you. We launched a new club, or renamed a club and expanded on it this past Friday. It's called the Applique Club. If you are a current member of the Mug Rug Club, then you automatically are upgraded into the new Applique Club. You get now in your kit every month, I'm actually using the Mug Rug. You get now not just the materials for one Mug Rug, but you get a full second kit for your zipper bag. So every month you get to make 2. So this is what will come in your June 16th box. Everything you need to make both of these. That means all of your pre-fused laser cut applique pieces, your background fabric, backing fabric, your binding fabric, and then your fusible batting. And then for the zipper bag, the same thing. You get your pre-fused laser cut applique pieces, your background and lining fabric, your binding fabric, and if there's any, you get your zipper, and if there's buttons or rickrack or notions, you get that as well. Another thing that was really popular that we announced, that we're going to start adding some sort of dimensional aspect to our Mini of the Month club. So that the name on that club isn't changing, but the designs every month are now going to include something fun and like dimensional, just to make it fun to continue making those. So this is upcoming for the the June 4th box. And so you can see it has a fun little bunting, and there'll be new techniques that we learn. Sometimes it'll be prairie points in the borders. Sometimes it'll be a different 3D technique of some sort to add on to your Mini of the Month. So that's really fun. I want to thank you all so much for joining the Facebook Live. It was short and sweet, a nice update on everything we have going on for you, and to let you know about the wonderful specials. And tag a friend that you want to watch this video, because I bet you have a quilty friend that would enjoy doing some of these projects with you. Thank you all so much, and happy Memorial Day.